Am I the only one that didn't know fireplaces need love too? Let's dive in. Hey there, Long Island homeowners. Welcome to Basic Energy's quick guide on heat and glow fireplace care. Whether you've got a gas or wood-burning fireplace, maintenance is key to keeping it safe and efficient. First up, cleaning. For wood-burning fireplaces, scoop out ash regularly and give the chimney a good sweep at least once a year. Gas fireplaces, just dust off the logs and glass. Simple, right? Next, inspections. Annual checkups by a pro can catch issues before they turn into big problems. Trust us, it's worth it. Having a hiccup? If your fireplace won't light or you see soot build up, it's time to call in the experts. Remember, a well-maintained fireplace means cozy, worry-free evenings. Need help? Basic Energy's Heat and Glo Fireplace services are just a call away at 516-294-9044 or visit www.heatglowservice.com. Keep that fire burning bright, Long Island.